Some of you will be coming into the university campus and the Alliance Manchester Business School building to take part in the virtual workshops with some of your peers. In these uncertain times, we'd like to reassure you of the measures that we are putting in place to keep you safe, in accordance with the British Government's guidelines of hands, face, space. We have clear markings on floors and seats to help you maintain a safe social distance. We have hand sanitising stations located at frequent intervals throughout the building. All of the classrooms and social areas will be arranged so that social distancing space can be maintained. We will issue you with 2 free face masks to use. Now, Colin Nichol, a student on the Global MBA Accelerator programme, attended the centre recently for a virtual workshop.
Having joined the course on the cohort for July 2020, all my interactions with my fellow colleagues have been online. So when we were given the option to come into the Manchester Business Centre to participate in the virtual workshop from here as a physical team, it was something I was very interested in. The business centre here is first class. The support staff have been very, very helpful. They've provided everything we need to feel safe in the COVID conditions, including masks. The building itself is very clean, and the desks are spread out for 2 metres. The option of getting together as a team and meeting people face to face has been a really positive experience, and something I'm glad I did.